Most people think credit card companies make money when you miss payments. But that's not their biggest profit source. In fact, they make money even when you pay your bill in full, every single month. So how do credit cards actually make money? Let's break it down. Interest. The most obvious way credit card companies make money is interest. When you don't pay your full balance, the remaining amount starts collecting interest, often between 18% and 30% per year. That means a small unpaid balance can quietly grow into a much larger amount over time. But here's the surprising part. Interest is not their biggest source of income. Interchange fees. Every time you swipe your credit card, the store pays a small fee. This is called an interchange fee. To understand where this money goes, we have to distinguish between two main types of credit card entities. The issuers, which are the banks that loan you the money like Chase or Citi, and the networks, which are the companies like Visa or MasterCard that process the transaction. It's usually between 1.5% and 3% of the purchase amount. So if you buy something for $100, the store might pay $2 or $3 to the credit card network. The money from this fee is split. The biggest cut goes to the card issuer, or the bank, as their reward for managing the risk and providing the card. A smaller slice goes to the card network for providing the infrastructure, and a tiny piece goes to the payment processors. This means credit card companies make money even when you pay your bill on time. Every swipe must profit. This is the hidden cost of convenience for merchants, and often the largest single revenue stream for the banks that issue your cards. Annual fees and penalties. Some credit cards charge annual fees, sometimes hundreds of dollars per year. These are often for premium cards with high-end perks, and they are pure profit. Others profit from late fees if you miss your due date, foreign transaction fees when you use the card abroad, cash advance fees if you withdraw cash with your card. These fees may seem small individually, but across millions of users, they add up to billions in reliable, low-risk revenue. Data and behavior credit card companies also collect incredibly valuable data. They track and understand your spending habits, where you shop, when and for what, your risk levels, how likely you are to pay on time, your consumer behavior, which offers you respond to. This data is used in sophisticated ways. It helps them design highly personalized and profitable offers. It allows them to maximize card usage among different groups, and it reduces their risk exposure. Ultimately, this data-driven strategy ensures they are always increasing their profits by optimizing how and when you use your card. So, how do credit cards really make money? Not just from interest. They profit when you swipe through merchant fees. You spend through reward programs that often benefit them more. You delay payments through high interest. And when you use their ecosystem, through annual and penalty fees. Credit cards are not just payment tools. They are one of the most profitable financial systems ever created. Now you know how credit cards actually make money. If you found this helpful, check out our other explanations on how everyday systems really work.